tell me why Lisa managed to do that.
Your love, I'm gonna make you mine. There's something special about your love. I think it's one of a kind.
Okay, here we go. So we're trying again now. Going to head over to the park with Kellan for his football practice. This is the third day now.
See if he adjusts better this time. I was seeing either the second or third time he was gonna like not be feeling it. I was more leaning towards the third time. So we'll see today if he's like not feeling the whole like I'm outside, I gotta like do something you tell me to do and I don't know you. So I'm praying that today, you know, he'll be a little more open to the experience.
So the other thing is him need to practice, and been bad about that. Like we're like, oh yeah, definitely gonna get back out there before the week is over.
It's been raining.
And then
like we've been just kicking like every other day maybe, but we should be doing every day kicking in the house. But outside, unless you're going at like 10 a.m. in the morning, which you probably should just do that. As soon as we wake up, we go.
We have to be patient with each other, remember what we're out there for. And like for me, I know that my thing that I need to adjust to is like, it sounds weird, but like discipline is for before there, discipline is to be like displayed there. So it's like if Kellan is really already,
wait, did you come up with that?
Yeah, like you know, like
say that again Kellan, so the viewers can write that one down.
Discipline is for before out there, and discipline is to display out there. So it's not to be disciplined out there. Like, you know, he can get frustrated when he starts to really, like last time he was really crying a lot and was just like, no, I'm not going to do it, I'm going to do something else. And it's too late out there to be trying to like, no, I'm not going to pick you up and discipline and all of that. You need encouragement out there, and I'm saying that to you, but it's really for me to remember that, because that's not helping the situation when he's already overwhelmed by like, yo, there's so many people here, there's so many people cheering and clapping all at once. You know, there's these really overexcited like other parents that are trying to encourage me, other like grown-ups that are trying to encourage me to do something and all of that. So like, it's just to remember that for me, just for that to remember for us, is that like, you know, he needs to practice before he goes out there, but he needs encouragement out there. The discipline thing is for before and after.
Yeah, so the team that he's a part of is Toddler Time. It's an Ocala based company, but they have them all over like Central Florida and North Florida. So they post like just things to remember on their Facebook page, and the last week they actually had this just like this post about like patience and like, it's okay, your kid is gonna have these experiences. Like literally last time we went, it happened there were 3 different kids, either 3 or 4 kids that were full on having like meltdowns like Kellan, and they were just like, no, I don't want to do it. And it could be the heat, it could just be like, oh well, I went the first time, I didn't think I would have to come back again. It is what it is. So just kind of be patient with your kid. Remember that, don't be embarrassed. This is a no judgment zone. So just, you know that they are kids.
The little man is back there, just taking a look around. This is a pretty easy drive for us. It's kind of like we were having this debate last night about like how far away Home Depot is, and it's a little further away than Home Depot, but it's a relatively straight drive. You drive like pretty much like one road and make 2 turns and you're there at the park. So what's good about it is that park isn't too far away from really anywhere. It's like, it's a decent amount of distance from here, but like if we were in the area that we were looking at homes and stuff like that, other than like now when we've like driven all the way up to like Ocoee and like gone like and said, you know, we think about that, but like the general area that we've been focusing on initially looking, It's a decent drive from there to just south, so it's about the same distance either way for us if he was to continue, you know, doing something in that park.
Yeah, because they go up to like 6 or something. They have different programs for 6.
Yeah. So let's see how it goes. For now, we're just gonna enjoy the drive over and try and quick and eat something for breakfast. Alright family, so we're here again, trying again with Kellan, as I said. I don't know, I think it's starting to hit him like, yo, they put him in all in the same thing again. Basically out there is where they do it. You can see that it's actually like a football field that him play on anyway. There's one of the planes that help to distract him from doing everything that he's supposed to be doing, but feeling good about the day, and we'll just try again. These damn love bugs are out. Tell me why Lisa managed to do that.
It touched my face. It literally touched my face.
So you box out your own teeth because it touched your face? Okay, so not as many tears, a lot more sweat. He's still not really doing it as much, but not as much tears as before, so we're just gonna keep on doing it. Keep on doing it.
I'm over here bribing him with M&Ms to kick the ball. Sometimes we gotta do that.
Yeah, so we're out here. We're just trying keeping him doing it. But yeah, it's gonna be the practicing in the week, you know, like we can't just expect to do this once a week and he's gonna get it. So yeah, see you guys on the other side. So my fear was exactly this, that it's not that it wasn't me out there, because I'm still fighting with Lisa, that it was more along the lines of him just don't want to do it. But like I think him just getting in him head that him don't want to do it, because you know, it's not that he doesn't want to play outside. It's not like he's unenergetic or like he doesn't like to be active and stuff. Something is just him just feel like there's too much encouragement, I guess, or too much overwhelming factors going on. This class a little smaller and a little bit more quiet than usual, but he's just not into it. Plus, as I said, one of the things that we didn't do well enough is that we didn't practice with him in the week. Granted, yeah, it was raining like Lisa was saying, but we just have to try to stick in there and just keep going with him and just keep practicing. I mean, eventually he'll have to get over this like social like interaction anxiety kind of thing. Very much a COVID baby, but he's very young too, you know what I mean? Like, it's just what kids do.
It was an eventful day. That's all I'm gonna say. Less crying, so that was good, but definitely some things need to change. Some things need just practice. We gotta practice. Like, it really kind of starts with us. If we're not practicing with him when he gets on the field, he's distracted. So that's the goal for this upcoming week, is to practice, so when he comes back next week, he'll be ready for all the really cool stuff. He kind of went in by himself. Kind of. But Dan has to go in with him. Has to do the tunnel with him. This kid is full anti, I gotta do this by myself. He's like, yo, we're all on the team. I'm not gonna be kicking by myself. You gotta be here on the field with me.
Okay, so we made it through another practice. A lot less tears than last time. So he's slowly warming up. Definitely, again, reiterated, it's all about just getting out there and practicing before, so he kind of is not like trying to get a new concept around a new environment. So it's just that the field was like soaked from all the rain, so there was like these little like landmines of water everywhere. So I think my shoes was the only one that kind of made it out of that, just because I have like shoes that are meant for that. My shoes are what I call them, trail runners. So what it is, we're all finished now. I'll head it out. So see you guys on the next stop. Okay,
so we decided to stop by Sam's Club because I'm craving the Sam's Club orange juice. Sam's Club does fresh squeezed orange juice daily, so we're gonna pick up, I'm probably gonna pick up 2 bottles. I'm gonna experiment and freeze one of them and see when it's defrosted how well it kind of comes out, and then maybe pick up a couple other things, but we're pretty much stocked. So see you inside. I'm heading to work. Dan forgot his ID, so I have to head over there and give it to him, because you know, a night without your ID throws you off. Either you have to go to security and get a temporary one, or you got to be begging people to get access into this and that. It's too much. So I'm gonna run over there now and give him his ID so he can, you know, have a better night, you know. All right guys, so I stopped into Lowe's on Osceola Parkway. This is Kissimmee. It's close to the Loop. It's literally across the street from the Loop shopping center, but this Lowe's having a crazy clearance. They have a pergola over here for $600, but it's 50% off. So it originally was $700, now it's $300. Sorry, yeah, $300. So this is how this one looks. Look at this one. Okay, so $598 plus 50% off. They have some hammocks, $64 with 50% off. Clearing out this area for Christmas. Again, Halloween and Thanksgiving is set up now, but they are preparing for Christmas. They got the trees out and everything. But again, the amount of clearance, this one being $400, and originally being $449, and then dropping to $400, good price. But now that it's $200 with 50% off, it's like, that's a really good deal. And if you don't believe me that this is really 50% off the lowest marked price, guys, lowest marked price. So this set is $257 now, because it was originally $514, and now the amount is $257, and they're still bringing out items. This is really like a deal you can't pass on, because they have all of these outdoor furniture and rugs and all that they are getting rid of, because summertime is over and now it is time for Christmas. So if you are in this area and you want some deals on outdoor furniture, because really it's Florida, like it's not gonna get cold until like November, maybe December, January. And when it does get cold, put your little fire pit on, and it's like you're back to being warm. So again, these are $50, the smaller ones, and these are $100 with 50% off. So they're $50 and $25. These rugs can run from like $200 to $300. These outdoor rugs. So get to your Lowe's, get to your local Lowe's, and see if they have deals. If not, check out the one in Kissimmee on Osceola Parkway. So today was an eventful day. Literally, it started out like just us going to football practice with Kellan, and it turned out to be drive around. I know we probably didn't get to film it, but we got a chance, you know, we got an opportunity to drive around in another area of Kissimmee that we haven't really frequented before. So that was really nice. You got to see us do some shopping at Sam's Club, and I always seem to like forget how awesome Sam's Club is. So we got some really cool stuff. You got to see some really good deals. I hope you enjoyed those deals, because those were some clearance deals that I was like, I'm gonna start doing my Christmas shopping now, because it doesn't make sense to wait till December when you could get them now. With some of those items, they were 50% off. So I'm probably gonna go back in a couple of days and try to scoop up some of those clearance items. Their clearance was really good, or really, everyone's clearance today was really good, because the stop at Lowe's was pretty awesome, because I wasn't expecting to be buying outdoor furniture at 9 o'clock at night. But that was a deal that I could not let go. Love seat and or settee and the table, I'll insert the picture here, was total was $138, guys. This is a table and chair that was, I think, coming from $600. So if you do have a Lowe's in your area, please go check it out, because the rugs, everything from the rugs to the hammocks to the umbrellas to the actual furniture was an amazing deal. Hope you enjoyed this, and I hope you're running to your local Lowe's and your local Sam's Club to get a membership. These are not sponsored visits. This is literally just us living our life and going to the stores that we frequent pretty often. I am all about the savings. So I know it may seem a little excessive that we have 3 wholesale club memberships, that we go to Publix and Bravo and all these different stores, but with a small family, still things add up. So that's why we're driving around to all these places. And I do love to shop, so you'll see me at TJ Maxx and Marshalls and Ross, just because I do like good quality clothing, but I'm not willing to spend that much money. It's not just us being like, oh, we're just driving around and just showing you savings. It is really for us, because if you are like us, if you're a small family, if you are a larger family and you're like, hey, I want to know how I can save a couple of dollars, come back, because we're going to be showing you as many deals as we can pick up. I'll be sharing them with you guys. So again, thank you for coming. If there's a store that you think that we need to be checking out because there are savings, please comment below. And if you've been watching all the way till the end of this video, like right now to the end of this video, please put hashtag #my+1deals, so we know that you are paying attention. We know that you are listening. We know that you are watching. We do really appreciate love and support, but sometimes you kind of feel like, is anyone out there? Is anyone listening to us? So please comment below hashtag #my+1deals, so we know that you guys are enjoying our shop with me videos. So if you enjoyed this video, please keep coming back, because we're gonna have lots more videos of us shopping wholesale clubs, shopping our local grocery stores, all the way to our Disney videos where we do our Disney adulting. And don't forget our On Our BS videos where we talk about every and anything when it comes to relationships, to current events, and how we relate to that and how they relate to us. Again, thank you for joining. So if you haven't done already, please like, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell notification, because we do this quite often. Thanks for coming, guys. Bye.
I think it's one of a kind. There's something special about your love. I want it all the time. You will always be my inspiration.